welcome and want to invite Melanie Robinson. Melanie Robinson is an avid real estate investor committed to making a difference in people's lives through investing in real estate. She brings over 20 years of experience in training, coaching, consulting, both in the corporate world and the world of personal development. Melanie has a diverse background in real estate investing, having experience in flipping, the BRRRR strategy, new builds, foreclosure, the long-term buy and holds, and she's currently focusing her attention on the East Coast on joint ventures and sourcing capital for new projects. Melanie is very entrenched in the real estate investment community, doing a weekly live program of fearless real estate investors called Mind Power Monday with Melanie. She does accountability calls with fellow investors and offers mindset coaching to help investors reach their real estate goals while enjoying the journey. Melanie received a top player award from the Real Estate Investment Network for her accomplishments in real estate investing. And Melanie is so thrilled to have found a way to contribute her passion for real estate investing with her passion of helping others create lives that they want, create true win-wins for everyone involved. Welcome, Melanie.
Wow, that was a lot. Thank you for inviting me to present this evening, and hi everyone. There's some of you I've met, some of you I haven't. So tonight I'm going to share with you all about my new focus. I mean, I will always sort of dabble in everything, and I love the BC market, but right now I do have a very special focus in buying long-term buy and holds with joint venture partners in New Brunswick. So you can, I forgot I was going to go hit my keyboard. So just a little bit about myself, and I've included Jason here. Jason isn't so much active with me, but he's always there behind the scenes. His background is in construction, so he's super valuable in some of the things we're doing, like we're building a fourplex here in Nanaimo, hopefully starting to break ground soon, and all sorts of different things. So between us, we've done several different strategies, as you mentioned, from BRRRRs to foreclosures, flips, all sorts of different things. And I really wanted to focus on the long-term buy and holds. I learned about the joint venture structure, which was new to me. I mean, I guess I was actually doing it without knowing that it was formally a strategy. Once I kind of learned more about it, I got really excited about being able to offer that not only to build my future, but because making a difference in people's lives is so important to me, the joint venture structure is just perfect in being able to create win-wins and offer these opportunities to other investors while I'm doing what I love to do. So I wouldn't, oh sure, yeah, we'll go there, that's good. So my team in New Brunswick, one of the challenges for me, and I know a lot of people do invest from afar, which is absolutely fantastic and nothing against them, being that I am a working partner, which I'll explain a little bit about joint ventures. I'm assuming most people know, but I will take a minute to explain in a minute. But because I'm the working partner, I didn't feel myself in integrity using other people's money to invest in a province that's all the way over on the other side of the country that I can't go touch, feel, see the property if there's anything that's going on. So for me, what I did is I teamed up with another couple in New Brunswick who are boots on the ground, born and raised there. They are, you know, obviously have a lot of connections, grandma, grandpa, aunts, uncles, everybody. You know, they're just super entrenched in the community and really super familiar with the neighborhoods. You know, for me, concerns were, I might even know that a neighborhood's good, but I don't know where that boundary is between, you know, what street divides sort of the good from the bad and all of that stuff. What areas are improving, what areas are, you know, kind of worsening over the years. So I built a team there. We've partnered on the working partner side of things to be able to offer these opportunities to investors. Go. So why am I focusing on New Brunswick right now? I'm focusing on New Brunswick because the joint venture strategy was so important to me. I wanted to build my portfolio of long-term buy and hold. I wanted to scale it at a decent pace. I wasn't able to, I mean, I know you just showed Roland, you know, a number of great opportunities here in BC. When I was looking, just didn't feel like I could scale at the pace that I want to with joint venture partnerships here in BC, knowing, especially in my community of real estate investors, everybody's looking for cash flow, and I wasn't able to find those opportunities in the way that I wanted to. So found the market that I wanted to. Then I wasn't comfortable investing from afar without having boots on the ground, found my team. And so now here I am. You know, in New Brunswick, the market's really hot there right now. One of the things we're looking at is sort of off-market deals, working on, you know, their connections because they're so entrenched and have so many people there. It is one of the last affordable markets in Canada. When I started to learn about the prices there, literally my jaw dropped. For me to be able to offer to investors, especially here in BC, I find that people in Ontario and BC are really excited about these opportunities because the cash that is required to get into a property and the amount that somebody needs to qualify for in a mortgage is just so much lower than what we're used to here in BC. And then the cash flow is really great. Return on investment is really great. So that's kind of the numbers side of why I chose New Brunswick and why I'm super excited about it. Low vacancy rate, when you price them competitively, you know, units are literally gone. My partner likes to say it's a 0 vacancy rate. That's not true, but probably about 1.5 where we're investing. Super landlord friendly. Oh, if you can just, go, thank you. Super landlord friendly there. So similar to Alberta, different than Ontario and BC. And really good rents and a diversified economy. So that was something that was important to me as well. Okay. So the two different opportunities that I have for investors, for passive investors, are private lending opportunities and joint venture partnerships. So in the private lending opportunities, basically we want to be able to be competitive and buy houses quickly and have great sort of, I'm losing the word right now, but anyways, put in a great strong offer. and so when we have the ability to buy houses for cash, then we can come in a lot stronger. Also, we raise capital to do renovations. So basically it's to buy properties for cash or to do renovations. That's what we would be borrowing private funds for in New Brunswick. And we're paying between 8 and 12%. We typically pay a balloon payment at the end, and we can utilize RSPs, TFSAs, HELOC cash, all sorts of different things. I'll be honest, I'm learning how to do RSPs. I have lent mine, but I've never borrowed them. So I'm going to be learning how to do that as we scale. And then typically the time frame is probably about 6 months, but 6 to 12 months for a private lend. Go. So the next thing, so one passive investing is private lending. The other is joint venture opportunities. So again, you probably know this, but I'll just share it in case any of you are sort of newer investors. A very standard joint venture structure is working partner and financial partner being a 50-50 structure. So the the financial partner has 50% ownership and the working partner has 50% as well. We, being that I'm teaming up with Ryan and Ashley, we're dividing the working partner side 25-25. So that doesn't impact the money partner's 50%. But basically the money or financial partner provides the cash required to close the deal and qualifies for the mortgage. And then we do everything else that goes along with that. So once everything's set up, the idea is that a financial partner gets to go and do what they love to do, you know, whatever that might be, and we deal with everything else. At the very end, when we decide to sell, then the financial partner gets all of their initial investment back, and then whatever profit there is from mortgage paydown and any potential appreciation is divided 50-50. So that's what a joint venture structure is. So you cannot read this. I understand that. I have 2 minutes. Holy crow. I thought I was going to be way short. Okay. So I believe I have partners for this, not 100%. So if something like this interests you, let me know. Basically what I want to highlight here, and I knew you couldn't read it, is this is a triplex. We purchased it. We have it under contract for $140,000. The initial investment with a $25,000 repair is $61,000. We're planning on doing a BRRRR with this. So in 8 months to a year, we will refinance and our financial partner will end up with about $30,000 in the deal. And this property cash flows $650 a month. And in 2 years, we anticipate, because we've chosen an area that is improving and they're doing new builds and stuff in it. So we've picked the area very purposefully. We anticipate the cash flow to be about $900-ish a month in a couple of years. So that's a BRRRR opportunity, and we're planning on getting at least 10 properties this year. So even if this one is gone, this is a really good sample of what it is that we'll be doing in the joint venture structure if you're looking for that kind of partnership. And And this is the other thing. So this week I have been working diligently to find my partner for that joint venture and to raise capital to purchase a second property. It's a duplex, purchasing it for $56,000 with a $54,000 renovation budget. So I was raising $110,000. It'll be worth, our realtor says 160, I'm saying 150. So that's a really nice lift in a very short period of time. So we'll borrow the private money, and then we're actually going to flip that to a joint venture partner once the renovation is complete. So I think that's it. That's it. So those are the types. So basically, I have raised the capital for that raise. I think I have a partner for the joint venture. It's not 100% signed, sealed, and delivered, but those are the types of opportunities that I'm working on. So cash flowing properties, low money in, often BRRRRs, and then always raising capital.
Thank you, Melanie. You owe me a bottle of wine. I gave you 4 extra minutes.
Did you really?
I did. You rocked it.
Thank you. I felt like I went so fast.
Thank you, Melanie. That was awesome.
Sorry.
No.